Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Beebeecraft unboxing. Is this my first one for this year? I think it is my first Beebeecraft unboxing for this year. Now if you haven't seen Beebeecraft, all the links will be below. They are an online craft supplier, and there's so much to see in Beebeecraft. What I am doing here is unboxing a parcel from them. They have given me a certain amount of dollars to spend in their store, and I pick products, so many products to that amount, and then I do an unboxing video, and then I do 2 make videos with the products that are inside here. Now you also could be eligible to do this for Beebeecraft. They have a YouTube program where you, if you have 100 or more subscribers, you can contact them and ask them if you can do the same. So and also there'll be a coupon code Valita10, and that will give you 10% off products. And what else do I need to say? If you go into Beebeecraft, make an account and make sure you put all your favorites in the love list, because that's an easy way to go back and find them. Now Beebeecraft always send their packages really well packed, double bubble wrapped, and they always send their products in a really timely manner. I've never had any problems with Beebeecraft, and I think I've been with Beebeecraft now for, it would be at least a year and a bit, or it's been a while, could be even nearly 2 years. Yeah, it's been a while. Right, so let's get into this unboxing today and see what we have in here. Now my first product are these gorgeous drop beads. Now I'll have all the links for the products that I show in here down below, so you can pop over and see that and follow the links to those products if you're interested in them. And I'm just going to cut the bag. I just have trouble getting into bags. I think I'm a bit what do you call it, from op shop bags. Anyway, these are gorgeous. These are glass beads, and look at the sparkle in them. Wow. So yeah, make sure you pop down below, because then the dimensions and all the information for these will be down below. But they are so sparkly and pretty. So pretty. So that's my first product. Oh, they feel really nice too. My second product is another bag of beads. Look at this mix. Wow. Now this is just a mix of beads, so I'll show you what you get in this pack. Look at these. Oh, these are like those, what do you call them, those worn beads, like sea glass. Aren't they gorgeous? They're a gorgeous blue colour. And they actually, what are they? Yeah, they've got the actual like facet cuts on it, but they haven't been polished. But I love that. One of my favourite colours too. And here's a black strand of these gorgeous faceted beads. Aren't they beautiful? They are see-through, these ones. I think this is all glass, but they are just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And look at this red colour. Oh, there's 2 of this red colour. Yeah, they are beautiful. So sparkly. There's a lot of beads here. And then we've got quite a few of these clear ones. Oh, they are gorgeous. They are, oh, hop off my ring. They've got that coloured sparkle in it. You know, when you how do you explain it? All the explanations have escaped my mind today. but they are gorgeous. They just reflect that beautiful color. You mightn't see it on camera, but I can see it here. Oh, I think there's 2 different sizes in here. There is 2. Here's one size, and that's on a string. They're all on strings, these. And this is the other size. It's a bit smaller. But they are beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and we've got a little strand here of yellow ones. These are all faceted, what do you call them? They do have a name. Like I said, pop down below and check them out. But these are gorgeous little blue ones. And then I've got some brown ones. Really pretty brown, that. The camera doesn't do these justice at all. Oh, there's 2 of them. They are so pretty in real life. And then my last one in this pack are these tubular type beads. And they're green and they're gorgeous. So that was a really nice mix of beads, that. Okay, my next thing in here is a pack of these eyelet beads. I think they might be 5mm, but they'll be in all the description below. And I know this is a fairly simple craft supply, but there's something I want to do with these in this. So I'm not sure how many in here, but yeah, it'll say below. And then I have a box of all these spacer beads. If I can get it open and show you, it's really heavy. So there's a lot in here. Because Beebeecraft does sell a lot of beads and jewellery type things amongst other craft goodies. So if you haven't popped over and seen Beebeecraft, definitely do that, because you'll be in there for hours. So this comes in a nice little pack with all sorts. Oh my goodness, look how many's in here. Let's have a look at them all. Now these are all different spacer beads. So you've got flower ones. And these little, oh gosh, what are they? I don't even know the names of them, but they're so pretty. They're almost a bit sort of Tibetan style. And look at these little balls. Like little crisscross pattern balls. These ones are little squares. Little circles. They're so pretty. Now you can use these sorts of things, yeah, as spaces in your jewelry making, but I sort of more got them to using my stitching as well. So I will use them when I do jewelry bits and pieces, but yeah, I got them to do using my stitching. Now I'll just grab it the different colour ways. Okay, they were all the what colour do you call that? Like, I'm not sure what that colour's called. Sort of a grungy colour. But these ones are all like a coppery colour, and they're all the same. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 6 here of that one. Oh yeah, there's the 5th one in that one. Okay, so you get the flowers. These they're sort of like a cup shape on one side and the other side. Then there's these little woven balls, the rings, the squares, and then these little circle ones. So they're all in the copper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 12. So you get 24 packs. Then you get them all again in gold. These are quite pretty. There's a lot in here. So you get them all again, those same shapes in gold. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a little container to put them in, or I could mix them all up in that. I don't know yet what I'll do. And then you get silver in the same shapes, 6 shapes. That's so pretty. So there's a lot of spacer beads in there, a lot, and that is really heavy. Right, so that's that product. Now my next product is oh my gosh, this is a, oh gosh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't realize there was 4 in that pack. I thought I was only getting 1. That's crazy. These are embroidery kits. Beebeecraft always surprise me. I'll just show you what's in this kit. Oh wow, I didn't realise I was getting these extra rings as well. I thought I was just ordering 1 kit. And 4 turned up with these hoops as well. Right, so in each kit you get a piece of fabric that has your little flower mapped out on it already. You get your thread that you need to make that with, some glue, and then in here, this is just beautiful. You get the little, is it a bezel or a cab? Something like that it's called. This is a little cup shape that I guess you would put under it so that it domes outwards. You've got your needle, and then you have got some chain for it as well to put around your neck. This is just gorgeous. I love this kit. Wow, that's beautiful. I'm so keen to do that. So I will do this on camera in one of the videos. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft. Like, look, oh, there's another needle in there. that really surprised me. I love getting surprises from Beebeecraft. So yeah, oh, there was 4 different ones, or they're all the same, but there's 4 in that pack. What a great little gift to give away. Alright, so you do get the instructions with it, and the instructions are in Chinese and English. So that is a real bonus, because it shows you the different to use 3 strands. This is chrysanthemum stitch and rose stitch, but I think we call it chain stitch or lazy daisy stitch. Yeah, that's French knots. And then this is a spoked one. But it's got clear instructions how to do that and put them together. It's very basic embroidery. It tells you how to divide the strands and all that sort of stuff, and it's got everything in here that you need. Isn't that really cool? I really like that. Really like that. And you've got your embroidery things here on a little piece of cardboard to keep all your threads tidy. That's really cute. I like that. I like it a lot. Alright, hang on. I'm going to put it over here. I don't want to lose those needles. And there's 4. I've got 4 in that. Wow. That's amazing. Alright, let's put them over there. And I've got one more thing in my parcel. Where did my scissors go? Ooh. Now every time I get dies from Beebeecraft, they always pack them in cardboard, which I'm so thankful for, because everyone knows how things get bent in the post. These are a pack of dies and you're going to look at them and think, what is that? But it's what I want to use these with. Now these dies make paper beads, right? So instead of guessing and cutting your paper all up randomly or whatever, these are dies that cut your paper into different strips, and then you roll the paper beads. And the reason I got this is because I've never made paper beads before, and I seen these dies and I thought, wow, these dies would make your beads all uniform. If you wanted a whole lot of uniform beads, you couldn't go wrong with the dies. So that's why I got them. What a great way to get uniform pieces of paper. So that's what these dies are all about. Now I got the little eyelet things to put in the ends of the beads, right? So that was the purpose of getting that as well. So what I want to do with these is make some beads with eyelets on the ends of the beads, the paper beads, and then we'll use some of these spaces and gorgeous beads in this here to make some dangles or whatever I'm going to make at the time. That is the purpose of all that. So all this will be in one video, and then I'll show you this little embroidery kit in another video. Alright, so just to recap what I got from this package were the gorgeous beads here. The gorgeous beads. The big pack of the spacer beads in 1, 2, 3, is it 4? Yeah, 4 different colours. This beautiful embroidery kit, and there was 4 in that, and the little eyelet rings here that are going to go with these dies, which are paper bead dies. So I'm looking forward to having a play with them. Right, so I'll do all this stuff in one video with the paper beads and the glass beads and the spacer beads, and this little embroidery kit I will do in another video. So look out for those videos that will be coming up. Thank you again, Beebeecraft, for sending me these products. I love getting parcels from Beebeecraft, and so I can showcase their products for you to look at and enjoy. And yeah, make sure you pop over and have a look. There's so much to look at in Beebeecraft, and they have great prices. They have great postage, quick postage, and their service has always been amazing. So don't forget to, at checkout, you get my coupon code, which is Velita10, and you get 10% off products. And I think that's all. So if you're new here, I would love it if you like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon for 2 new makes. They'll be in 2 weeks apart, so 1 week time and then another week after that, showcasing these products. And yeah, I'll see you then in those videos, and I'll see you again in a new video soon. Bye.